work on question 17 of the 2025 fifth grade STAAR math test. I am looking, my question is, which graph best represents the total cost for the number of bags of popcorn sold? Okay, I know that each bag of popcorn costs $1.50. Okay, so $1.50. So I'm gonna look, and here's my one bag, and it costs $1.50. That's awesome. However, this says if I sell 4 bags, it's still going to cost me $1.50. That doesn't make sense because I know every time I sell a bag, it costs me $1.50. I'm supposed to get $1.50 every time I sell a bag. So this doesn't make sense that I got $1.50 here and got $1.50 here. So B is a silly answer. So what we could do is we could strike through B and say, nope, we know that that's a silly answer. Okay? So let's look at C. This says that if I sold 1.5 bags of popcorn, it's $1. That doesn't make sense. That's backwards, right? It's supposed to be 1 bag of popcorn for $1.50. So this also is a silly answer. So again, I'm going to strike through that. And now I'm going to look over here. Okay? This says I'm going to sell 1.5 bags of popcorn and get $2. But I'm also going to sell 1.5 bags of popcorn and get $5. This doesn't make sense to me either. So I'm going to strike through that. But I cannot just click on A and say, whoop, I'm done. I got A. I need to check. I'm an amazing mathematician, and amazing mathematicians always check. They sold 2 bags of popcorn and got $3. That means if I have $1.50 and I sold 2 bags, I'm going to get $3. So let's look. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. And I'm swooping 1, 2 for my decimal. 1, 2. $3, which is what it says here. Now, here's to make sure. This says I sold 3 bags of popcorn and I got $4.50. Let's see. Okay. So now I have $1.50. I sold 3 bags. Let's see what I get. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm swooping 1, 2, 1, 2. I get $4.50, which is exactly what I have here, meaning A is going to be my answer.